Tonight, we're learning hundreds of thousands of drug convictions in this state may be thrown out.
And that's because the state Supreme Court today struck down the state's felony drug possession law, calling it unconstitutional. Matt Lorch is tracking the ruling and reaction tonight for us. Matt?
Aliana, the ruling came in the case of a woman from Spokane. Cops found a small bag of meth in her pocket. She said that she got those jeans from a friend and the drugs were not hers. Well, today the state Supreme Court ruled Washington's drug possession law violated her due process and others because it criminalizes passive, unknowing conduct. In every other state, prosecutors have to prove someone knowingly or intentionally possessed drugs. That was not the case in Washington until this ruling. The 5 justices striking down the law, saying it doesn't protect a letter carrier who unwittingly delivers a package of drugs, or someone whose roommate hides drugs in a common living area, or someone who picks up the wrong bag at an airport. According to the justices, they could all be convicted under the old law, and those people should not have the burden of proving they're actually innocent. Well, some in law enforcement blasted the decision. Former Pierce County Sheriff Paul Pastor posted a photo of someone who overdosed, saying in part, police will no longer be able to take enforcement action, adding the ruling will aid, abet, and facilitate the ongoing slow-motion suicide of thousands. So what does this actually mean for previous convictions? King County Prosecutor Dan Satterberg released a statement saying, in part, we are analyzing the impact and potential radioactive application of this decision. We also spoke to a former U.S. attorney about what happens to all those drug possession cases.
Essentially, the court's going to say, look, do we have cases in which persons have gone to jail for a longer period of time or in jail only because they innocently, passively, and unknowingly possess drugs?
Governor Inslee was asked about the court's decision today. He said he's not sure how many inmates could be released as a result. The ACLU saying tonight it's going to be doing a lot of work to get those convictions vacated and off people's records. Live in the newsroom, Matt Lorch, Q13 News.